This is the only YouTube Shorts automation blueprint that you need. That helps me to earn $878 in the last 28 days. And kung titingnan natin yung lifetime, I earned $2,844. And this is the exact blueprint na ginamit ko para kitain yan. So kung gusto nyo matutunan to, just keep on watching. So before tayo magsimula, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please click the subscribe button and then share this video para mas makatulong pa tayo sa mas maraming nag-YouTube Shorts automation. As you can see here, this is my own YouTube channel. Yan, na-refresh natin. Baka sabihin nyo, Ayan. Baka sabihin nyo, ini-edit ko lang. Ayan. I earned $2,844 for the last January to September. So, 9 months. And this is the exact blueprint na ginagawa ko. Actually, gumawa na ako nito noon. Ito. This is the only YouTube automation blueprint that you need to earn $700 per month. Ito kasing ginawa ko nito is much broader compared here. So, this blueprint focuses on YouTube Shorts. Ito kasi, pwede mo siyang i-apply sa long form. Ito, focus siya sa YouTube Shorts. Okay, let's start. Step 1 is picking your niche. Actually, bago tayo magsimula, pasensya na ako medyo yung boses ko kasi medyo sinisipon ako. Pero still, let's create content na makakatulong sa inyo. Okay, step 1 is picking your niche. Lagi ko dito, stop overthinking it. Any niche on YouTube Shorts feeds can work. So basically, kapag nag-scroll kayo sa YouTube Shorts, you can find different things na makikita nyo, they are gaining views. Huwag nyo isipin na oversaturated na yung niche na yun. Ang isipin nyo is, as long as they are gaining views, meron siyang market. So, supply and demand siya. Supply and demand. So, pag nag-produce ka ng type na content na yun, for sure, may manonood din sa'yo. Of course, it will take a while since medyo maraming ang competition. Pero, on the bright side, may target market ka na agad. Yan, nakalagay dito, if it's on the feed, it's viable. So, the most important rule is your content must be transformative. So, ano yung ibig sabihin ng transformative? Ito nakalagay dito. This means if you use clips from others, you have to add value. So, ano naman yung sasabihin natin to add value, di ba? Actually, in-explain ko naman na lahat dito. YouTube won't monetize lazy uploads. So, yung ta-download mo lang and then i-upload mo sa YouTube mo. And malaki ding chance nun na ma-shadow ban ka pag ganun ang ginagawa mo. So, kailangan mo maglagay ng subtitles, original commentary or a voice-over. Kahit AI, okay lang din. Unique edits that create a new story or meaning. As you can see here, meron siyang subtitles. So, this will not
What do you think's the best way to prove your... Okay, no, you might be AI, bro.
No, I'm in a hotel. The Wi-Fi here is crappy.
Yan, meron silang nilalagay na subtitles. Okay, step 2 is channel creation. Don't overthink it. Kung ano yung nasa utak nyo, pwede na yon. Basta gamitin nyo lang, basta make it simple and easy to remember. Mga 1 to 2 words yung channel name. And then fix your username. Ito marami akong nakikita nito na gumagamit ng username na may underscore o kaya may mga number na random. Fix your username. Kasi pag nanonood ka sa YouTube Shorts, ang nakikita mo dito is yung username. Ito, @JinxyClipsy and @Zipier. So, kung makikita mo, sobrang random nung name mo, they are probably not subscribing to you. Bakit? Kasi magmumukha ka lang AI o kaya bot. Yan mo, lahat sila dito. Ito, Yapet25, that's fine. Kasi, simple lang naman. Ang pangit yan yung may mga underscore, tas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 8, 8, ang tayo pang number. Your video should be at least 30 seconds long. Shorter can work, but it's much harder to be. But, it's much harder. Actually, medyo mahirap. Medyo mahirap kapag shorter yung videos mo, pero it's gaining views. Katulad nung sinabi ko last time, yung 6-second niche, I still get a lot of views sa niche na yon. Recently, I just got 1.5 million views tapos 500k views. At nakakount naman siya as a YouTube short views. Pero much better kung gagawa kayo ng shorts na at least 30 seconds long. YouTube short is all about attention. So, kung paano mo sila mapapa-retain sa video mo. Kasi as long as they are watching your video, mas napopromote yung video mo. Mas mapupush yan ng algorithm na lumabas sa YouTube Shorts feed. Use psychology and hack their brain. Ano naman to? Ito yung paggamit ng mga loud noises, saturated colors, fast pacing and motion, cuteness factors, yung mga babies, mga aso, pusa, food, on-screen text, relatability, rage bait, shock value, rewarding narrative, and satisfaction value. Itong optimizing content, hinati ko sa tatlo. Yung part 1 is the hook. So, yung video nyo should be separated into 3 parts. So, the first part is the hook. I think 80%. This is like the 80% of the work. If your hook sucks, the already scrolled away. Siyempre, ito pinakamahalaga talaga dyan. Yung hook, kung paano mo makukuha yung attention nila to watch your video all throughout. Ito lang ito. Use pattern interruption on the very first frame. Ito yung mga ginagamitan ng hook trifecta. Ano yung trifecta? Ito yung 3 part. Ito yung 3 hook na kailangan yung gawin. Ito yung audio hook, visual hook, and then text hook. Sa audio hook, mas madalasan yan yung mga naglalagay ng mga weird sound effect. Ayan, ito. Scream or just talking instantly. Kadalasan yan may mga sound effect na risers, pop, o kaya mga sumisigaw, o kaya nag-i-start agad yung voice over. Sa visual hook naman, something shocky or visually interesting right away. It's basically rewarding agad sa first clip pa lang. So kung ano yung makikita nila sa pinaka last clip. Text hook is create curiosity. Example, ito yung the craziest thing I've ever seen. Ito yung madalas makikita mo sa top part ng video. Ayan, normal sky bridge. Ayan, kadalasan namin gumagawa niyan. Ayan. Use fast cut, zoom, or animation within the first 3 seconds. Ayan, within the first 3 seconds ng video mo, dapat at least meron ka ng cut, zooms, and animation para makuha mo talaga yung attention nila. Part 2, the body. Ito naman yung basically the whole video. It must be narrative driven, make the video go from A to B. So, kung ano yung topic ng video mo, dapat same sila all throughout. Keep the story simple and universal. Ano must before, after, mga ganyan. Okay, still, gamit ka rin ng cuts and zoom and automation. Cut, zoom, and animation every 3 to 4 seconds para hindi siya masyadong boring. Ito, medyo pabilis naman yung mga boring clips. Kapag alam mong boring yung video na yun, medyo ipabilisin mo na. Audio design is a key. So, as much as possible, gumamit kayo ng mga sound effects, trending musics, mga ganong type of audio design. Use caption in the middle. Okay? Kadalasan kasi ng mga nanonood paggabi is mahihina yung sound. So, kung meron kang captions, much better. Use graphics with bright and saturated color. Yan naman, red, yellow, orange, green. Use rage bait for comment and engagement. Actually, ginagawa ko rin nito, yung mga mistype ng names o kaya mali yung pagkakabigkas dun sa pangalan. It will cause rage bait. So, pag nag-rage bait, magko-comment sila. Pag nag-comment sila, dagdag engagement. Yan, maintain consistent branding across your video. Tapos ito, so, huwag pa iba-iba yung videos nyo, no? Kung anong niche nyo, yun, mag-focus lang kayo sa niche na yun. Huwag kayong maging random poster na kung ano-ano lang ipopost nyo sa channel nyo. Malilito yung algorithm kung kanino nyo ba talaga ipopush yung videos nyo. Part 3 is the reward. So, this is where you give them the dopamine hit so they will interact. Make the last clip the most rewarding, satisfying, or outrageous part of the videos. Plan your calls to actions or CTAs here. Ano ba yung CTA? Call to actions. Mga subscribe for more, leave a like, yan. Which one is the best? Would you buy it? O kaya ito, send this to your third app. O, yan. Slow it down to 0.5 to see what happens. Ganyan. Mga type. Cut the video immediately after the reward. Don't kill your watch time. So, huwag nyo na pahabain. Basta na bigay nyo na yung reward, cut nyo na yung video, end nyo na yung video. That's it. Ito, it's an extra nice if the video loops back at the start. Maraming gumagawa na ito. Naglo-loop. Gumagawa sila ng video loop. Kasi pag gumawa ka ng video loop, it will add more views, and then syempre more views is mas ipupush ni YouTube yung video mo. Kung gumagawa ka ng YouTube short, as much as possible gumawa kayo ng thumbnail na shocking, eye-catching, pero this is not much, pero ito hindi naman ito masyado applicable since ang YouTube shorts naman is nasa YouTube, is nasa shorts feed, so hindi mo naman makikita dito yung thumbnail. Kadalasan yung makikita mo sa home. Kung nasa home ka, ayan, dito siya makikita yung thumbnail. Pero kung nasa YouTube Shorts ka naman at nanonood, hindi naman masyadong malaga ang thumbnail. And if you have caption, you can put CTAs in the pinned comment. To add a related short or long form video to fold them deeper into your channel. And madaming hindi rin gumagawa nito. Related shorts, hanap tayo dito na may related shorts. Finally! Ito, related shorts to. Ayan o. Lagi nyo itong tatandaan, lalagay nyo yung i-click nyo lagi yung not for children when you upload para hindi siya mapunta sa YouTube Kids. So, step 4 is posting your content. Ito, matagal ko na sinasabi ito na posting time doesn't really matter. Kasi people, lalo na kung YouTube Shorts ang ginagawa mo, kasi people are on YouTube 24/7. Post 1 to 4 times per day for the best results. Targeting an English-speaking audience brings the highest RPM. So, ano ba yung RPM? Is yung revenue per mile. So, ang revenue per mile is nag-identify kung magkano kinikita mo per 1,000 views. English-speaking audience, they have the higher RPM. So, kung matatarget mo yung mga USA, UK na bansa, you will earn more. Alagay dito, your RPM depends on where people watch from, not where you upload from. So, kung wag na kayo hindi nyo kailangan gumamit ng VPN hindi nyo kailangan gumamit ng VPN para mag-upload sa US. So, kahit saan ka nag-upload, kahit sa Pilipinas ka nag-upload, as long as ang nanonood sa'yo is from US, you will get a higher RPM. Use keywords that accurately describe your video and the title. So, kung ano yung video mo talaga, use keywords na magde-describe ng video mo. Use 1 to 3 hashtag in the title. Don't overdo it. Huwag nyo masyadong damihan. 1 to 3 hashtag is fine. Kahit isa lang, kahit dalawa, okay na yan. Kung gumagamit ka naman ng hashtag, always include shorts. So, lagyan mo siya ng shorts. Tapos, 3 to 5 hashtag is the ideal overall. Itong 3 to 5 hashtag is sa description niya. Ayan, nakalagay dito. You can put as many hashtag as you want in the description. Upload from the same IP address and don't use VPN. Yung sinabi ko kanina. Ito, the most crucial part is to use the purpose IO. Ito ginagawa ko na din to. Kasi medyo nauubos yung time ko sa pag-upload from YouTube to TikTok to Facebook. So, kung gumagamit ka nitong repurpose IO, it auto-uploads your content to every platform. TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, from YouTube Shorts to TikTok to Facebook to Instagram, kahit saan, pwede. Ang nilagay ko dito, it unlocks 4 to 5 other revenue sources from the same work. So, kung monetize ka sa Facebook at sa TikTok, at nire-upload mo lang din siya using repurpose IO, 3 income sources agad ang papasok sa iyo in just one video, di ba? Kaya sobrang helpful niyan. Ito yung secret sauce na ginagawa ko, pero this is all a theory lang. Hindi ako sure kung ito talaga yung what's working. Nakalagay naman ito, this is just a theory, but ito yung nag-work sa akin. If your video doesn't take off, start a new YouTube channel. Actually, I will dig deeper about this sa next video ko, lalo na kung paano nga ba umalis sa zero view jail. Kasi meron na tayo, may bago ng update sa YouTube, 30k views jail. Yung 30k views jail, so I need to update my video about how to escape zero view jail. Ito yung tune ko na new channel sa Clean Metadata Advantage. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito is wala pang idea si YouTube kung kanina niya ibibigay yung content mo. So, mas malalaro pa yung algorithm kung ang ginagamit mo is new YouTube channel. Pero for me, actually, ito, lately ko lang din to na-realize kasi I start creating new YouTube channel na nagbo-boom agad yung video compared sa mga old YouTube channel. If your first video on the new channel goes viral, YouTube immediately assumes your content is good and pushes it to more people. Ito nga sinasabi ko. I had a video na stuck sa view jail. Don't worry, I will dig deeper at I will create a separate video kung paano nga ba makalis sa view jail. Okay, that's my YouTube Shorts Automation Blueprint. This is all for free, 100%. Wala kayong babayaran. Kung gusto nyo ng copy nito, nandiyan sa link sa description sa baba. And sana makatulong sa inyo to earn money using YouTube. Just like me, sana makatulong ako sa inyo. And if nakatulong naman ako sa inyo, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-comment sa baba para mas ma-push pa tong video to a wider audience, para mas marami tayong matulungan. And huwag nyo kalimutang mag-subscribe kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, and like this video. Yun lang, maraming salamat, and then kita-kits sa next video.